Shares are jumping after CEO Tim Cook warned of unavoidable price hikes ahead. That and, of course, the Intel deal that the president announced. Mackenzie Sagalos is here with the story. Mac.
So, Sarah, Tim Cook answering the biggest question hanging over Apple following earnings. With memory prices up 4x in 3 quarters, the company is not planning to fully absorb the surge in memory and storage costs and will pass at least some of that on to consumers. Now, Apple hasn't said which products get hit, when increases start, or how large they will be. But Counterpoint tells me the component cost hit to Apple could be $200 per phone. Tech Insights, just off the phone with an analyst there, they're looking at what it would take to preserve margins, estimating that Apple may need something closer to a $300 increase on a future Pro model, likely to the iPhone 18 Pro that's expected in September. But the broad read from Wall Street is that Apple won't spread the hikes evenly. It will try to protect that entry-level set of models as much as possible and push more of the increase into Pro devices and higher memory configurations where you have buyers that are just less price sensitive. And that's why the stock is higher, up 1.5% now. Apple posted a gross margin just shy of 50% in its most recent quarter. And the concern was that this could be peak margin if Apple ate the higher memory costs. Now Cook is explicitly saying that Apple will use pricing power before it simply accepts lower profitability. And the timing looks almost engineered to perfection. Apple is moving toward price hikes just as it is trying to turn AI into its next hardware upgrade cycle. More than half of iPhones shipped since 2022 won't support the new Siri experience, giving Apple a stronger upgrade hook just as device costs move higher. But the biggest risk here is, of course, China and market share. Global smartphone demand is heading for one of its worst years on record, and Apple's been gaining share partly because its rivals raised prices first, while Apple, up until now at least, held the line. Guys?